Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about to build a vue.js 3 project and full vue.js 3 folder structure. Okay, uh, I'm gonna discuss with you about vue.js 3 today. I am gonna discuss about file and folder structure. Okay guys, so at first um, I'm gonna talk to about readme.file like that. This is file. Okay, and here you will show it vue.js 3 file instruction how to you will build up your project like that. npm install, then npm run sarp, then npm build up. Okay, then npm run in it. Okay, that's it. So now I'm deleting this folder because this folder is not necessary for this project. Okay, after that you will show that package.json, this is folder. Okay, this file provide you the details of your project like that. I click here. Here you will show it start, npm start, and view CLI service sarp. Okay, and whole are necessary things folder you will show it here like that. View CLI plugin babel and plugin is lint and CLI service. Okay, that's it. In this folder you will show it package log.json. this this is basically a folder of package.json. It is complete cover structure of the your package .json. Okay, of your project. You will show it more your project properties is here, and it will describe your project. Okay, so now you'll show it and babel.config .js. Okay, this file basically this is used for ECMAScript into the normal JS code. This is basically to the high level code, to the understanding level code. Okay, this is not major part of your project. For that, now let me discuss about the Git Dot Ignore. Okay, I click here just and you will show it your npm.log and yarn.log, and this is your Git Ignore. Okay, this is not a major file in your project. For your project, for that if you want you will delete it. Okay, so I will now I'm gonna delete this file. Okay, then you will show it src like that. This is your main file for your project like asset, and you will show it log.png. Okay, then component and component based on the app.vue and main.js. This folder is your this folder is this folder is very important for your project, and this is the major folder, and your project is will be structure this folder. Okay, so first of all node modules of the vue.js like that. Okay guys, so before going to the src folder, then first of all node module dot of all the vue.js 3 here, all packages are installed here like that. Node module, you will show it, they are whole package in the loaded here. Okay, so you will show it in the major folder for vue.js 3 public and src like that. Here is the public and here is the src. Okay, so these two are the very difficult. Let's talk to about the public. In the public folder there are two fields files like that, favicon.i icon and index.html. Okay, the another after that when you will come back to the src folder like that, then you will show it as asset folder and component folder and hello world dot view and tab dot view, like that. When you click this tab dot view, then you will show it you will show it f. Okay, for that you will import here in your file hello.world. So this file are the directly for attached to your JavaScript file. Okay, src folder, like that, src folder, and um, the src main.js file is empty, like that. Main.js file is empty, nothing to here, just like import your app.view. Okay, for that this is all over the folder location and folder structure. So if you change you anything your identify, then you must change your come to the your main.js. Okay, so after that you will show to app.view file here, like that, app.view file, and this is the main file of the vue.js. Okay, after that you will come to the jump component file, like that, component, then hello world. Put the all component of the project here, hello world. Okay, this is your main file, and you will, if you want and style here, then you can do it in this file. Okay, so basically vue.js is the everything as a component for the understanding the more details. This file is very important for that. This is this tutorial is overview of the file structuring. Okay, today I'm gonna finish this tutorial now, and if you want to like this video, and you will share with your community. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching.